Hey everybody, Mr. Bone here, and we're going to talk a little bit about what we did this past week in 7th grade and a little bit about what we're going to do next week in 7th grade. So this is the week ending August 28th, and we've made it through that first magical week. Now, what did we do this past week? Well, if you were Team Hemlock or Team Husky, you were in class 2 of the days, and we went over assignments and got books and seats and all kinds of stuff. We went over the syllabus. We took a basic skills test, and that's going to be due tonight, actually. Make sure you've got that turned in. So we've worked on just some real opening of the year stuff. We didn't get a whole, really, really far. If you are a permanent stay-home person, a remote learner, I would suggest you choose whether you are going to be a Hemlock or a Husky and kind of follow that schedule so that you don't end up getting far behind. And you certainly wouldn't have to do both. So if you choose one, that'll keep you on schedule and it'll keep you from doing work that you wouldn't necessarily need to do. So taking a look at next week, we are going to be working on your memory map. Some of you may remember that from 6th grade. It's a little bit different than 7th grade, but we're working on those. So make sure on Monday or Tuesday, whether you are a Hemlock or a Husky, make sure you have a pencil with you. This is not a place to use a pen. So bring a pencil that day. And also think about what I'd said about getting things out of your backpack that you might not need as a necessity. So think about that. Those of you who are home either Monday or Tuesday, you're going to be looking at the crash course video and filling out the exit ticket. And Wednesday, both groups will be looking at the essential question video, and starting in Chapter 6, Section 1, we'll do the RITP. I don't think too many of you are going to need a lot of explanation on that. Nothing's changed a whole lot since last year about how that process works. I'm sure we will get some time to talk about that in class if you need to. That's on page 150. You're doing questions 1 through 4. And then all of a sudden you start seeing these red sentences. Those are your learning targets. That's what you're supposed to be getting out of the class that day. You didn't see those prior to Wednesday because it was all really, just procedures, not really academics yet until we get to Wednesday. Then we really start cooking. So Wednesday and Thursday we do sections 1 and 2 of Chapter 6. And of course Friday you are off again and you won't come back till Tuesday. So for another short week this coming week. Hopefully everyone's doing right over the weekend, and I will see you guys soon. If you are a permanent stay-home person, I won't see you, but you are certainly welcome to email me any questions. Feel free to make your own video and send it back to me with questions or concerns. And I will talk to you guys all later.